Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you super interesting Parallax video tutorial. Before we jump in, let's have a look at what we are creating.
Help! Please help me! What is that?
This entire video is made using AI with ChatGPT, and the pictures are converted into a video completely free. If this video helps you, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my future upcoming videos. Now let's get started. First, create a new composition. I am using these settings for a horizontal video which is 16:9. Okay. Now these are static images generated using ChatGPT. Right now there are no movement, but we will turn them into a smooth video. To generate images, don't overthink the prompt. Just ask ChatGPT for a good prompt. Modify it if needed. Mistakes. Let's make this correction. And now it's fine. Let's go. And generate your images. Once ready, drag and drop the images into the timeline. Fit them to the screen. Select the layer and press Ctrl+Shift+. Next, create a null object and link all image layers to it. Now let's drag and drop this image. When you have multiple layers, do one thing. Just click on the solo. This means it hides all the layers except which you have selected. Okay. Now you have to fit it to screen. For this, what you will do, just select the layer and hit Ctrl+Shift to zoom in and zoom out. Okay. If you want to move position, select the layers. Just press the Shift key and then up and down arrow keys. I hope you got it, right? Now place image below this. To move an image out of the screen, hold Shift and press the down arrow. Then adjust its position and current link it to the null object. To make transition smooth, add a shape layer between images like this. And mask it. Just the feather and expansion. And convert its blend mode to multiply. Then turn the shape layer to the null object. Duplicate the layers, adjust positions and animate the null object using the keyframes. If it feels fast, simply move the keyframes to slow it down. And that's our final result. Now about converting images into videos, just upload the image to any AI video tool, no prompt needed. I used View and yes, it's free. If you want a full video on that tool, comment below and let me know. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. Subscribe for more interesting tutorials and I will see you in the next video. Until have a nice day and keep watching my previous tutorials as well. See you in the next one.